Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create soft shadow photo frames using frames in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a clean square canvas. First I place the photo and convert it to a smart object. Then I draw a rectangular frame slightly larger than the image. After that I add a soft drop shadow to the frame to create separation. Now I fine-tune shadow distance and opacity for a natural look. Next, I align the image perfectly inside the frame using smart guides. Then I test light and dark backgrounds to check contrast. After this, I slightly round the frame corners for a modern feel. Now I zoom out to review balance and depth. Finally, I polish spacing so the framed photo looks clean, soft,